Hey guys, it's Unicorn Slime. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make polymer clay, so let's get started. You'll need a quarter cup of salt, a quarter cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, half a cup of flour, a spoon, and a bowl. So let's get started. So first off, you're going to put a quarter cup of salt along with a quarter cup of water into the bowl, and you're going to start dissolving it. It won't completely dissolve because it will be saturated as there is too much quantity of salt. So you're going to microwave this for 30 seconds so that it could get a little dissolved. Then just dump in your flour and your oil and mix that together until it turns into a little dough or bread dough consistency. You're looking for a consistency which you can slightly stretch, but it's going to be hard like pastry dough or pizza dough. Then I'm going to add my oil, which you were supposed to add in before, but I forgot. Then just give that a huge, good, nice stir so that all the ingredients are super well combined and you get a really homogeneous mixture. Also, feel free to go in with your hands because you want this to be super duper nice and you don't want to be feeling too many chunks, but it's okay if you feel a little bit of salty chunks because salt does not dissolve really easily. It does dissolve easily, but when there is too much quantity, it does not. So then I'm just going to put this out on the countertop and just mix this together and knead the dough until it turns into a homogeneous, nice, soft clay texture. It does not feel like store-bought clay, but it is much safer and it's much more easy and fun to make. Then after you've kneaded it, you can just put in a little bit more oil according to the texture. If it's too wet, do not add too much oil, just add a little more flour. But if it's a little hard or you feel like you need it to be more soft, add more oil. To dye this, you can just add paint or food coloring. I found out that paint works so much better. So now I'm just going to show you guys how to make a little cupcake and a few more things. By the way, I'm going to come out with a whole series, but I'm going to show you guys how to make tons of fun things using this clay. So please stay tuned for that. And the next episode is going to be super fun. I'm going to show you guys how to make something really cool. So stay tuned for that. To make the cupcake, you're just basically supposed to mold this into the shape you want to and then bake this at 150 degrees. I baked all of these together. I did not use the entire clay because I'm going to be making a series with it. But for the amount I used, I baked this for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And I baked this at 150 degrees Celsius. And if you want to use the Fahrenheit, however you say that stuff, you can check the description box because I'm going to be leaving the conversion. Now I'm just going to be adding some sprinkles, and you can also let this air dry instead of baking this, but I found that baking just takes 15 minutes and air drying takes 1 to 2 days, which I will be experimenting about in some of my other episodes, so please check an eye for that. I mean, keep an eye. I can't talk today. Also, thank you for 800 subscribers. It means so much to me. I love you guys a lot. You're the best. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Yes. Now bake this. Turned out really cool. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, tap that notification bell, and share this video with somebody who likes making things out of clay but does not have polymer clay around. And yeah, bye. Thank you for watching.